This chili plant survived the winter. Now it's getting an upgrade. And good evening, good night everybody. Happy Wednesday to you all. It is Wednesday 27th of May 2026. And it is day 101 of the chili grow up. As you can see, they've been out consecutively now for 3 nights and 4 days. And they are just doing fantastic. They're looking really good, and it was a windy night last night, a little bit of like a warm breeze. I thought, goodness, they're going to be a bit knocked today, but as you can see, absolutely no issues at all. There we go, these are the potted plants, look. I mean, it's looking good. There's that Tabasco from yesterday. It's all looking fine. So I thought what we'll do today, our overwintered Cayenne pepper plant. It's been doing fantastic. Look how well it's doing. Now it's got only a little bit of soil, and that's only about 3/4 filling this small pot. So it's time to overwinter this Cayenne pepper plant from its overwinter pot into a bigger pot, and we're going to use the grow bags, get them open for the first time, get them transplanted over and right back out here into the sun. Other than that, I hope you're doing really well. Hope you're enjoying the sun wherever you are. Me and Lucy are having a good day, aren't you, kid? You alright? Sunbathing? Half asleep? Yeah, no, I understand, girl. Alright, let's do this. Let's start day 101. Grabbed these from Amazon, I don't know, early last year. They were on special. I bought about 10 packs of these. They come in 5 packs, so we got 50 in total. I was not expecting so many to be successful, so I think it just comes up. But yeah, pack of 5 of these grow bags. Let's open them up and get the cayenne pepper transplanted right away. Okay, so this is what a 5-gallon grow bag looks like. To be honest, it's smaller than what I thought. But hey, it's interesting, isn't it, mate? So yeah, we're going to get this cayenne pepper into this grow bag. Throw some soil in the bottom here first, look. Just so it's got plenty of space for the roots, new roots, to grow down and expand. So quite a lot in the bottom there, because it's got a lot of space to fill. Then we'll put the plant pot in, make sure the measurements are right, and pack it all down. Quite a lot of soil has been put in the bottom here. You can see quite a lot. So I've made it so that when we put the plant pot in, this soil level works out about the same as the bag. So about here to the edge. So now, like what we do with the cups, we're going to secure this in. We're going to be filling soil around the edges here, pack it all in, and then we should be able to pull this out like a sandcastle, nice and easy, and then transplant the plant straight into that perfectly cut hole, and then get it back outside, all upgraded. Slide twist and a lift. There we go. Look at that. All set and ready. Looking quite perfect. Perfect for the cayenne. Let's get it out of its pot and into. So I'm going to hold the stem here and then just tip the pot upside down, move the pot out of the way and get it straight into this hole. Let's give it a try, shall we? Just want to show you the roots, look. Beautiful, beautiful. Right, in he goes. There we go. Looking good. I'm just going to put a bit of soil around the edges here, and then we'll show it outside, looking ready for the summer. There we go. So the overwintered cayenne is now in the 5-gallon grow bag. I've been reminded how much different litres to gallons are. It's using up a lot of soil. Now I've got 50 of these. It's going to be a lot of soil to go through, but that's okay. All it's going to do now is grow, 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 and produce lots and lots of cayenne peppers. Perfect, perfect. What I'm going to do now is just quickly get some fertilizer together, quite a lot, probably a 2-litre bottle, and just completely submerge the soil. Because the good thing about the grow bags, if there's too much fluid, too much liquid, it's going to just leak out. So it holds it just right. It's perfect for the plants. Let's get them outside and get fertilizer into the soil. The cayenne settled in nicely. The soil is very, very wet. And I put them just in the shade for a little bit because in the next hour or so, that sun's going to creep round. So give it a bit of time to soak everything in before it gets blasted with the sun. Looking great though. Look at all these leaves, and I've already had to pluck a couple of flowers off them. So yeah, should be cayennes in no time. Cannot wait. Love, love, love the cayennes. That's about my heat level tolerance. If anything, it's too hot for me. So as you see, it's going to be right there, and then we're going to put them in the back garden, lock them up and keep them safe with the rest of the plants. Let's wrap everything up. Day 101. Thank you all so much for joining us. It means the world to me. I just cannot thank you enough. I hope you're having a wonderful week. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. See you Thursday. Take care. Bye-bye.